Hello guys, my name is Pravya and welcome to our channel. So in this video we can going to discuss how you guys can install Disqus tool on your Blogger or the WordPress and any your CMS tools, whatever you want. So what is the benefit if you guys can install Disqus tool with your Blogger account? So if you guys can install, for the many users can start commenting on your blogs, and you guys are also able to increase your Blogger or your blog post traffic with the help of Disqus comment section installation. So if any user can start commenting, so what can user do? So user can also insert images, bold tags, or user can insert link or any code tags. So these many things users can do with your bloggers posts. So must you guys have to install this tool with your Blogger account. So how you guys can do? So simply we can go to start. So I can provide this website URL over the description section where you guys can access. So simply you guys have to create your profile. So there is a get start button. You guys have to click over there, and firstly you guys have to create your profile. So you guys have to choose your business name, Glen Traffic, and I'm going to use my business Gmail ID, and you guys have to choose your password. Then after that you guys have to verify your captcha. Then you guys can click for the sign up button, and you guys have to choose I want comments on site. So these features you guys have to choose. Then after that this website can redirect you for that kind of interface. So there you guys have to, first thing you guys have to complete your profile creation. So there is you guys have to, firstly you guys have to optimize, firstly you guys have to verify your account. So this website can send you a verification email. So now we can go to verify. First you guys have to verify, then after that you guys have to click for the done button, and then after that you guys have to, if you want, then you guys can add your website URL, because from there you guys can get a one high quality backlink also for your website. And you guys can also add your locations. Biography, you guys have to add your main targeted keyword. Then after that you guys have to click for the save button. And what you guys have to do for the next, if you guys can want to update image, you guys have to update profile image. Then after that you guys have to click for the save changes, and you guys have to click, you guys have to go with a website home page section, and there you guys can see, okay. And then you guys have to, okay, and the first thing, if you guys can land on this website homepage, there is a get started button. You guys have to click over there, and then you guys have to click for the install the website. So there you guys can add your website name, Glen Traffic. Then you guys have to choose your category, and after that you guys have to create site. Once your site is created, then after that you guys can see there is a subscribe button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys can redirect for that kind of interface. So there is a multiples option, so you guys have to choose your CMS. So we are going to insert this tool on your our Blogger website. So there is a Blogger button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys can see there is add Glen Traffic to my Blogger site. So there you guys have to click, and after that you guys can redirect on Blogger account. So there you guys can choose your website, and after that you guys have to click for the add widgets. And after that this is can redirect you for the layout section. There you guys can choose your Disqus for Glen Traffic. You guys can choose, and you guys can scroll, and you guys can paste it, keep it to your post, bottom of the post section, and after that you guys can click for the save, and you guys have to go with your blog post, and you guys can check this Disqus comment tool is inserted with your Blogger account or not. So simply we can go to, yeah, you guys can see there our account is inserted. Disqus comment box is inserted. So these are the process. So you guys have to follow this. And what is the benefit of this tool? If you guys can insert with your Blogger account, so many users can start commenting with your Blogger, and as well as your Blogger's traffic, it should be going to increase. Then you guys can able to drive traffic with your main website on your Blogger account. So these are the process for the Disqus comment tool installation of your Blogger account. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can do something for your helpful from the side. Okay, so okay, yeah, bye bye and take care. And all the websites on this website URL can provide over the description section, so where you guys can find easily.